singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind, we coming home.
Hey Milkshakerz, welcome back to our happy place, and it's been a while since I've done an unboxing, but today, me and my two brothers are going to be unboxing Treasure X!
Not sponsored.
This is not sponsored, but Treasure X if you're out there. So, let's get into it. Just finished unboxing everything and everyone's on the same page. So what came is where the treasure hunters are inside, the map, collector's guide, all the people you can get, and we got our magic dig room.
Important. For easier digging, unwrap and place block under running water for 30 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap this and then we're going to place it under
In
water.
the middle, right when we open it, we find the compass, I believe, that goes in here, which is super cool because look how this block looks. I just want to like squish it. Look at my hands. I think it's chalk maybe. What are you doing, Drake?
Looking for treasure.
Oh. Okay guys, so we'll be right back. We're going to go run these babies underwater for 30 seconds. Okay guys, so we're back from putting these babies in water for 30 seconds, and I noticed that it started looking like a little glittery. Actually a lot glittery. So we're gonna start digging. Ready, set, go!
Alright,
dig! It's easier, it's pretty hard. Oh, I found something, it's like bright blue.
Look at me, guys. I'm already in there already. Using the right tool. Let's see.
So we're done putting them together. This is Drake's. His name is King Gold Crown. This is mine. His name is Lord Ludum. And Sydney.
Mine is named Goldfin.
Yeah, so in the beginning when we were reading the instructions, we saw that there was going to be this kind of like a bath bomb. It was going to fizz. And Drake already opened his and he found a bath bomb. So the bath bombs are in here. We're going to dump it out to see if there's treasure in here. Oh, there is.
Yeah, you pour water.
Oh, Drake got the Ring of Giants.
And then you have to put it on here.
How about the scissors? The skizzers?
It's not really doing anything. Here it comes. It's bubbling.
It's coming. It's bubbly.
It's bubbly, bubbly. It's like soda. I'm thirsty now. It's bubbly. I got coins, man. I'm rich.
Give me.
I was
Give me
a little
so I can
stuck.
throw you
I haven't completed grade school yet.
So I'm gonna break down the map. On this side, we have all the figures that you can collect. We have the Pirate Posse, the Scuba Scavengers, the Blade Brigade, the Golden Gladiators, the Midnight Crusaders, the Treasure Tribe, the Bling Bandits, the Tomb Hunters. Then on the sides, we have all of the little accessories you can collect inside the treasure box that we should be getting later. Then on the other side, we have this little game where you take the coin that you find when you open the stone, and you take that coin and you find the shape of it on either side. And once you find that shape, you should look inside at the gold item in the middle. Then you go down to the key and you find it. And as you can see, we have the golden goblet. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to join the Milkshake fam, and to see other cool videos. Don't forget to be kind and love yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!